Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Let's find out in a fun way. Our hiccups start with a little friend, our diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscle found beneath your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets a little too excited and goes into a spasm, causing hiccups. Hiccups can happen when you eat too fast or overeat. That's because your stomach's pressure pushes against the diaphragm, triggering a hiccup. Drinking carbonated drinks can also give you hiccups. The gas in those fizzy drinks expands in your stomach, sending your diaphragm into a frenzy. And let's not forget about drinking super hot or super cold liquids. Surprising your throat can lead to some unexpected hiccups. So next time you hear a loud hiccup, just remember, it might be the diaphragm having a little fun.